The first time you sat in your vintage Porsche. The beginning of a great love affair. To keep this love running, you need spare parts. You can find numerous suppliers online. The cheapest one will do, right? No, because in the worst case scenario, this could lead to serious damage to your Porsche. Keep that love lasting a long time. Use CARPOINT. You can order high-quality spare parts quickly and easily on our website. Select the model and year and add the right part to your shopping cart. That's it. We put the pedal to the metal when it comes to the delivery too. Within 2 days you will receive your spare parts. We even ship worldwide. And if you have any questions about your order, we are there to answer them. We can also advise you on any additional parts your classic car may need. You want to give your Cayenne an overhaul? We can do that too. With our Transcontinental Off-Road Kit, we can transform your Cayenne into an off-road vehicle. Our Porsche professionals have been giving classic cars a new lease on life since 1978. Your Porsche, your passion. Order high-quality spare parts today at www.carpoint.de.